Braking is all about friction. When you push the brake pedal, pads inside the calipers press against rotors to slow down the vehicle. Fact is, over time, all brakes wear out. When this happens, you may feel grinding, a squishy pedal, or steering wheel shudder. You may hear loud squealing sounds, smell a strange odor, or see the brake warning light in your dash. You may not notice any signs. That's why routine inspections are key to safe braking, and they can save you money on costly repairs. Don't let your brakes get to the point of metal on metal. During inspection, each brake is checked for pad wear, rough spots on rotors, and signs of damage. In some cases, rotors can be resurfaced to save money. Service intervals depend on your driving habits, operating conditions, and vehicle type. Remember, original genuine parts fit and perform best. And check your brakes every 10,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. Call your local Quick Lane for service hours and more. No appointment necessary.